And are we going to be seeing Jackie Shroff coming out with an autobiography?
Yeah, for sure. It's too early at the moment, but there are so many questions and answers being asked by guys like you that my whole life is on the bloody plate. तो सब जानते हैं मेरे बारे में, मगर फिर भी मैं लिखूंगा या मैं वीडियो पे बात करूंगा और एक अच्छा एक पेन ड्राइव बना के आपको दूंगा.
I'm here with the man who really needs no introduction. Jackie, welcome to the show Celebrities Unplugged.
Thank you.
First of all, let's talk about your upcoming movies. You're going to be there in Jasba, you're going to be there in Brothers, so tell us something about that.
Brothers is first of all, hi guys. My respects to you and your family. Jazba is a film which is definitely Aishwarya Rai's film. She's playing a fantastic role. Not much can be said about it, but it's a pleasure to be working with her after many years. Devdas was the film. Not that we worked together, but we were in the same film together, and we did some great scenes together right now. And well, they're on a release in October. Nothing much to say about it. Can't speak about it. Brothers is releasing on the 14th of August, and like everybody knows, it's a remake of Warriors. Great role and great director. Working with Malhotra. Karan is a great chap. He's done a film called Agnipath, and you know what kind of emotional film he makes. Out here also, it's a highly emotional film with a lot of action in it. And I got a lot to express through my younger role and the older role. I think he's given me a great job great role and taken a great job out of me. अपनी बात ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहता हूँ, मगर बहुत अच्छा काम कराया भाई ने और बहुत अच्छा रोल दिया है. 35 साल का एक है और एक 65 साल का है. Playing father to Aki, it's fantastic.
And anything happening, you're probably going to be signed up for Houseful 3 also?
Well, there's a talk about it, and we are nearly there. I think within this week's time, I'll be signing the film.
Fair enough.
And Sajid Nadyadwala, I think it'll be great to be working with him. Same production house which is working with my son. And same film, same production house I'll be working. So father and son in the same production house.
Right.
Unfortunately, not in the same film.
Oh.
But at least we're in the same house. Great guy, great producer, Sajid. He introduced my son, made him a star right now.
Right.
People have loved him too much. It's his first film. Well, the second film is out also in next year, 2016. I hope things work out for him, and I'm looking forward to Houseful 3. First time I'll be doing something which is absolutely light, a lot of fun, a lot of laugh, playing a little serious character but with a lot of humor without making faces. I think it should be fun. I'm looking forward to working with Farhad and Sajid, the directors and the writers of the film.
Moving on to the press conferences, especially nowadays with the advent of so much of media, press conferences have really come up. But during them, a lot of irritating questions are also asked by reporters, right? So when they unrelated, irritated questions are asked to you, so then how do you react that time? How do you keep your cool?
Well, there's nothing much. Just understand what has been said and whether it's suiting the pharma which is there at the moment. If it's not, then you just talk it out. I mean, you say what you feel like in your heart. You don't plan anything. जो दिल में आया वो बोल देता हूँ. और जो उस वक्त काम की चीज़ है, अगर हम जज्बा की बात करें तो जज्बा की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम कहीं और कोई कब्जा की बात ना करें. तो बाकी तो कुछ नहीं बड़ू. बाकी कर रहा हूँ, एक मलयाली फिल्म कर रहा हूँ. ये 10वां लैंग्वेज है मेरा. 10 languages I've already done. Orissa, Bhojpuri, Punjabi, Bengali, Malayali, Oriya, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, English.
Impressive.
And Marathi.
Right.
Waiting for Gujarati now, and that's it. I think may go for Nepali later on. I want to do at least as many language films as possible in between the Hindi films that I keep doing.
And are we going to be seeing Jackie Shroff coming out with an autobiography?
Yeah, for sure. It's too early at the moment, but there are so many questions and answers being asked by guys like you that my whole life is on the bloody plate. तो सब जानते हैं मेरे बारे में, मगर फिर भी मैं लिखूंगा या मैं वीडियो पे बात करूंगा और एक अच्छा एक पेन ड्राइव बना के आपको दूंगा.
बट ऐसा है कि मतलब लास्ट 40-30 इयर्स ऑड में जर्नलिस्ट ने आपको क्वेश्चन जैसे पूछ के लिटरली खून चूस लिया है. मतलब
उनका काम है पूछना, उनका काम है लोगों को बताना मैं क्या हूँ. जो फिल्म में वो तो देखते ही हैं, जो फिल्म में नहीं है वो तो उनको जानना उनका एक हक बनता है.
राइट.
तो निचोड़ है, निचोड़ते हैं.
राइट. Tiger has got an amazing physique. I mean, it's like literally his six pack has got another six pack. So how much does he work out?
Well, he is a serious player. I mean, दिन का 2 घंटा वर्कआउट्स और जिम्नास्टिक्स और 2 घंटा डांस में जाता है, तो 4 घंटा दिन का तो इसी में चला जाता है.
Right.
You have to work out.
Absolutely.
And you have to eat right, basically keep health.
Keep it.
बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है बिड़ू.
Right. Okay, Jakida, it was great talking with you.
Pleasure is mine.
And it was really great talking with you and hanging out with you. Take care and all the best for the future.
Thank you, and to you too. All the best, Films of India. Rock it, man.
It's almost like if someone is holding your tongue and you try to talk. Try to talk with your tongue. I get media people saying, you tell me one thing I can write about your personal life. You tell me.
Saif Ali Khan was very funny. He said to me that, you know, I meet you and we do this great interview and we laugh so much, and 1 week later I'm like, man, I thought she liked me.
Yeah, exactly.